Alright, so here's a little visual I put together to kind of help solidify JavaScript functions and how they work. I'm going to be calling them methods. That's just what people call them. The computer expects you to type function, but I'm in that habit. So you can think of a JavaScript function or a method as a box, right? So it's a box with a big red button attached to it. And when you call the method, you're pushing the red button. So you push it, and whatever is inside the box will happen, and that's what you're going to decide. In this example, the box only outputs a message, right? So it's going to log a message to the console. It's going to say hello world when we push the button and call do thing. As you can see. Sometimes you have to put stuff in the box. That's this input right here. So you can call the input whatever you want, and it will use that inside the box however you tell it to. So in this case, we're going to give it something. We're going to pass it something that we're calling X, and it's going to log that to the console along with the word hello. So it's going to say hello plus whatever we pass it. So when we call it, we need to tell it what X is going to be. So in this case, we're using the word Kirk. So when we call this, it will process what's in the box and it will output hello Kirk. Sometimes the box has an output. And when it has an output, you can tell because it has the word return in it. So in this case, this is going to output the words hi mom. And so we need to catch that somewhere. So as you can see, when I'm calling it down here, I've created a variable called message for mom, and we're telling it to equal whatever is inside the box. So whenever you see the equal sign, you're making an assignment from right to left. So if this was bills equals $400, you would know that the word bills is equal to $400. So in this case, the message for mom is going to be equal to whatever the box returns, whatever comes out of the box, which in this case will be hi mom. Easy enough. Now let's put it all together. We have a box called do thing that takes two inputs, a protein and a liquid. It will then output to the console log saying the cake is a lie, and then it will return the result of adding the protein to the liquid. I'm not a baker, so don't judge me. So over here we have a variable. Since it has a return, we're going to do something with that. So we've got a variable called food, and it's expecting two inputs, protein and liquid. So we're passing it eggs and milk. So it will do something with the eggs and milk, and it will give us something that we can hold in food. And there you go. I hope this helped solidify the protein and the liquid into a cake. Enjoy.